just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Camera. Instrumental.
How's that instrument?
No. A singer in a smoky room,